package is loaded. Jeez, I slammed that thing. Damn. What is good, everybody? I hope everyone's having a good day. I hope you're getting things done, and I hope you're working towards your goals, man. Today, we're gonna be accomplishing, a few things I've had on the checklist. We're gonna be dropping off the car to get that Airride installed. You guys see, it's a big day, man. And then on top of that, before we drop the car off, we're actually heading out to, we're heading towards Toronto because we gotta pick up actually a phone for this car. So some of you might know, some of these 5 Series, I believe mainly the 7 Series would have a cell phone, or not a cell phone, but like it'll be a phone. I don't know if it's a cell. Anyways, there will be a phone in the center console, and it fits so flush, it looks so good in there, and it's a very vintage, rare piece to have in your car. And we had a 5 Series before, and I had that phone, but this car didn't come with the phone. Now, I've finally seen one on Facebook Marketplace, funny enough, and they're so rare to come by, and I figured, I just jump on the opportunity and pick it up one time. It doesn't match the right color that I need. I hope I'll at least be able to swap out the centerpiece of the center console in order to be able to install the phone into my black armrest, as opposed to the cream colored one that it's coming with. So we'll see what I could do there. Worst case, I could try to reupholster the armrest, or even dye the armrest, but that's kind of worst case, last case scenario. Right now we're going to try to do the actual work and obviously swap one armrest into the other when it comes to just a cell phone itself. So we'll see what we could do. I called it a cell phone again. I don't know if it's a cell phone or if it's just like a stationary phone, if that's what you call them, but anyways, old school terminology right now, guys. So yeah, but we're on the move. I'll show you guys the phone when I pick it up, and yeah, I'll also show you guys obviously when we arrive at Grounded Concepts, because they're going to be the ones doing the work for us on the car. So let's get it. Let's get this Airride installed, you know what I'm saying, and let's pick up this phone. All right, guys, one thing off the checklist. You see, we got the phone here. The button's a little bit sticky there, but I think with a little cleanup, maybe even some steam, that'll become a bit more loose and we can clean around it. But I'm gonna see if I can get this foam out of there and put onto this center console. I think it's gonna be possible, but I mean, we'll see what I can do.
The best thing cooking, I can't fuck with you. Back. I can't do it.
Here's what might be one last look of what it looks like at this height. Okay. I should have measured this, because I gotta prank some of my friends. It'll be easy to gauge. Just lift it up and make it look like it's stock height, and then you pull up on them and you drop it down. That's cool, man. I can't wait to do that. Y'all see the gap in here. But all right, you see where we're at. Let's get business taken care of. Okay guys, so we're at Grounded Concepts right now. You see I got Isaiah with me, you know what I'm saying? He came to pick me up, dropping off the car. Got the Airride all here. So we got, if you guys don't know already, it's Maxload for the struts. So this is what's going to be the actual bags lifting the car up and down. The management system is going to be the 3P Airlift 3P kit, or I guess like performance kit. Airlift Performance 3P kit, that's what it is, right? So I'll be able to have an app on my phone as well as the actual remote that will be controlling obviously the way the car goes up and down. Okay, and then we also have, it's gonna be a chrome tank and also a chrome compressor. Yeah. So it's all gonna look pretty nice in the trunk. We're gonna sequence everything so that way the sub box can fit in there too. As you probably saw, I just built the box, so we're gonna be finishing it during this time that the car is in the shop. So that way, yeah, when it's finished, we could put everything pretty well together and pop out immediately, as soon as needed and possible. So it'll be in pretty good standings. Hopefully we can get some paint work done soon in this season, depending how everything goes. But right now, we'll do the air first and get the car out, give it a nice wash, shine. It'll look good. People won't even be able to tell. They'll be asking if it's fresh paint, but by the time we do hit with the paint, man, it's gonna be like a showstopper. So look forward to that. But you guys see the atmosphere of the shop. Okay, this is Grounded Concepts in Pickering, and man, they got everything, anything that you need. Realistically, ask them, you know, aftermarket to even, I believe, original parts. Give them a shout. These guys can definitely give you a hand. They're really good when it comes to sourcing out product. I've been buying stuff through them for time, for I think 2 of my cars now, if not more. And yeah, they always come through, and they're definitely great help. So even through tough times, like, man, I bought stuff through the pandemic through them, and it's literally a seamless process. So, you know, when you want to talk about guys that really get stuff done, it's these guys. They don't mess around. So yeah, anyways, dropping off the car, like I said, this is an old one, but I mean, Airlift performance right there. You guys know exactly what we're dealing with, so let's get it.